how to change audio on TikTok after posting. I'm going to show you how you can easily change audio on TikTok after posting. First, open the TikTok app and go to your profile by pressing the profile option at the bottom right of your screen. Then, select the video you want to repost by tapping on it. Next, tap on the three dots icon on the right side of the screen and choose the Save Video option to save the video to your device. Once you've confirmed the video is saved to your camera roll, tap the three dots icon again and select the Delete button to remove the original video from your profile. Return to TikTok's main interface and start reposting the video by tapping the plus icon at the bottom center of the screen. Instead of recording a new video, select the saved video from your camera roll by tapping Upload. After uploading, you can add new audio by choosing a different track from TikTok's audio library. Follow the usual steps to post the video, just as you would when creating new content. Your video will now have a new audio track. For more detailed steps, you can refer to TikTok's help section.